Tonight is gonna be epic! The Camp Out Cinema is finally happening!
I'm a giant caterpillar! Wait, do caterpillars eat popcorn?
Whew, only if it's extra buttery, Junebug. All right, screen is up, 10 is pitched, and Dad's back is officially sore.
You did great, honey. It's been such a long week. We all needed this.
Ha! 10 points for Jake! Hit play, Dad! Hit play!
All right, hold your horses. Let's get this.
What is that loud monster noise?
That's the NOAA weather radio. Mark, look at your phone.
Oh no, flash flood warning. Seek higher ground immediately. An emergency alert.
Noah? Who is Noah? Is he coming to our movie?
No, sweetie. NOAA stands for the National Weather Service. They are the people who watch the sky to keep us safe.
And they're right. Look at those clouds. Kids, grab the emergency go bags. The movie is canceled.
What? You promised! This isn't fair!
Jake, I know you're upset, but we don't have time to argue. We need to move the electronics upstairs immediately.
And I need to check the sump pump in the basement.
A plump stump? Dad, we don't have any tree stumps in the basement.
Sump pump, buddy! It's a loud machine in the basement that pumps out water so the house stays dry.
Ugh, fine. But this is the worst Saturday ever.
Jake, listen to me. I need you to go by the garage and line the door with those heavy sandbags.
Sandbags? Really?
Yes, and then clear the main driveway drain. All those autumn leaves are blocking it.
But it's just a few leaves, Dad.
If that drain blocks, the water will back up into the house foundation. It's a $10,000 mistake if we don't clear it. Do you understand?
Yeah, I got it.
Be quick, it's about to pour.
So unfair. I wanted to watch the Alien movie. Ugh, this is heavy. One is probably enough. Whoa, that's gross. Good enough. The water can figure it out. I'm done! I did it!
Great job, Jake. Go help your sister find her boots.
Haha, I have time for one quick game.
Mommy! The sky is angry!
Whoa! The power went out!
Oh no! The power is out! The sump pump stopped working!
Mark, come up here, quickly!
Dad, what was that grinding noise?
The pump motor is jammed, and we have a bigger problem.
My socks are wet! The floor is a swimming pool!
The family photos! Oh my gosh, Mark! The water is coming in so fast!
The drain! It's completely blocked! The water is pooling straight into the house!
Uh-oh.
Jake, grab the other side of this box! Our home is flooding!
Mom, I didn't do it.
What do you mean you didn't do it?
I didn't clear the drain. I lied because I was mad about the movie.
Jake, because you took a shortcut, our home is being destroyed.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to play my game.
Small choices cause big emergencies, Jake. Remember that.
Lisa, look outside! It's Mrs. Gable!
Oh my gosh, she's trapped.
Hey, there are a lot of big emergency words happening today. If you're watching, stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap.
Dad, the street looks like a rushing river.
Mrs. Gable is trapped on her porch, and the water is up to her waist. I have to go get her.
Be careful, Mark. The water is moving too fast.
I'll be right back. Get the emergency go bags ready.
He's gonna get washed away.
Your dad is strong. He knows what he's doing.
Hold on, Mrs. Gable. I'm coming.
Mark, help me! I can't swim!
Please be okay. Please be okay.
He reached her. He's got her.
We're safe, but we can't come back across yet.
Evacuate now! Repeat, evacuate now!
Eva, what? Are we vacuuming the water?
No, baby, evacuate. It means we have to leave the house immediately to stay safe.
Leave the house? But where do we go?
To the higher ground on the main road. I have water bottles, extra batteries, a power bank, and our documents. We have to leave right now!
Ah! It's freezing!
Stay right next to me. Do not let go of my hand, June.
This is so hard to walk in. It feels like thick mud.
Just a few more steps, guys. Keep pushing.
Watch out, June.
Keep going. We're almost there.
Phew, we made it. We're almost safe.
Okay, let's wait here for Dad. The water is shallower here.
Mom, look out! A giant wave!
Hold on, the current is too strong.
Current? Like the little berry in my oatmeal?
No, current. It means the water is moving super fast and pushing hard. Brace yourselves.
Jake! Mom!
June, no! I lost her grip.
June, where are you?
June, keep your head up.
There, her yellow raincoat. She snagged on the mailbox post.
Help! I can't hold on!
I have a rope. Hang on, Jude. Grab it, June.
I got it!
I've got her. Pull, Jake, pull.
Come on, come on.
Heave, heave.
Grab my hand! We've got you!
Thank God. Thank you so much.
Are we okay?
We're safe, buddy. We're safe.
We're taking you to the school emergency shelter. Hold tight.
This is all my fault.
Okay, let's get out of these wet clothes.
Mom, I'm really sorry.
Jake, look at your sister. Because you ignored me, and because you lied about that drain, that current nearly pulled your sister away.
I know. I was just being lazy.
Do you understand how serious that is? We are a team, Jake. We rely on you.
I understand. I promise I'll never lie again. I promise.
Here, sweetheart. You were very brave with that rope, Jake.
Thank you, Mrs. Gable.
Well, we made it. Hey guys, remember to stick around till the very end for the vocabulary recap to learn all these big words.
Oh no, no.
What? What's wrong now?
I forgot to pack June's medicine. I was in such a rush, I left it on the kitchen counter.
My medicine?
This is why we use a checklist, Jake. When we panic, we forget the most important things.
We can't go back until sunrise. We just have to hope she stays okay until then.
It's gonna be a really long night.
The water has receded. Let's go see the damage to the house.
Whoa, it looks like a swamp.
Ew! What is all that smelly silk?
Not silk, honey. Silt. It's the sticky, stinky mud that the river left behind when the water finally went away.
There it is. My mistake. I invited the flood right into our home.
The cleanup is going to be brutal. Are you ready to make this right?
I'm ready, Dad. I'm not playing any video games until this entire driveway is perfect. Heave. Ugh.
You've been out here for 14 hours, Jake. You need a break.
No, responsibility isn't a chore, Mom. It's a shield. It protects the people I love.
That's my boy.
Almost done.
What are you making?
A flood safety checklist. Number 1, clear all drains twice. Number 2, pack medicine in the go bag. Number 3, listen to the NOAA radio. And number 4, never lie about safety.
I love it. Tape it to the front door. Now, come outside. The sky is beautiful and clear tonight.
Wow, you set it all up again?
We did, but before you sit down,
All clear, Dad. The sandbags are secure and I checked the sump pump. Safety first.
you learned the hard way, Jake, but you'll never forget it now. Hit play!
This movie night is even better than before.
Yeah, it really is.
Today's vocabulary recap. NOAA, weather people watching skies. Flash flood, fast water rising quickly. Higher ground, safe place up high. Evacuate, leave to stay safe. Sump pump, machine that moves water. Current, strong, fast-moving water. Go bag, bag for emergency supplies. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.